kinds of quadrilateral is next what we have to see now. So first they have mentioned here is a trapezium. They've shown you figures here, children. Okay, figure of what is a trapezium. So what do you observe in a trapezium? You have one of the opposite pair as parallel. Okay, so they've shown you here that in this, these two lines are parallel. In this one, these two lines are parallel. Here, these two lines are parallel. So a quadrilateral is which has four sides, and out of that, if one of the opposite pair, just one of the opposite pair is parallel to each other, that is known as a trapezium. Okay, now after that, next is your next kind of quadrilateral is a kite. Okay, so kite, children, out here they've shown you. So kite is that kind of quadrilateral in which your the adjacent side would be AB and AD will be adjacent. So you see they've shown you equal to sign there, and another adjacent pair is BC and CD. They've shown you these two equal. So you can very clearly observe that the adjacent pair will be equal to each other. Then this kind of quadrilateral is known as a kite. Okay. Then after that comes the most important one, that is your parallelogram. Okay, so for a parallelogram, in parallelogram what we have is both opposite pairs are parallel. Like in trapezium we had only one pair parallel. See, this figure out here is a trapezium, only one pair parallel. If both are parallel, in this only AB was parallel to CD. In this figure AB is parallel to CD, along with that AD is also parallel to BC. So this is a parallelogram and this one is a trapezium. Okay, now parallelogram has various properties, right? So okay, first let me cover from here, then I'll explain you separately. So elements of parallelogram are opposite sides, opposite angles, adjacent sides, adjacent angles. What do we mean by all this? I'll explain you just now. First I'll just read through all the properties and then I'll come to explaining them. Okay, so opposite sides of parallelogram are equal in length. That's the first property given here. Okay, so this one. Next property, when we talk about angles, then that property is given to you here. The opposite angles of parallelogram are equal in measure. Next property is shown you here. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay. So next is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these properties we will utilize in this exercise. So first I am explaining you the properties properly and then we'll move on to 3.3. Okay. So for that here. Okay, children, here I have shown you, I have made a parallelogram for you people. ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram, your AB and CD, these are your opposite sides that they were saying. So I've written here, opposite sides are AB and CD. For a parallelogram, they are equal as well as parallel. Another pair, this was one pair, AB and CD. Another pair is your BC and AD. They will also be equal and parallel. Only then it would be a parallelogram. Uska name ही parallelogram इसलिए है because both opposite pairs are parallel. This is the symbol for parallel and this is for equality. Okay. Now, then they were talking about opposite angles. What do you mean by opposite angles? Like angle A, opposite to that would be angle C. Opposite, uske samne. Alright. And they will be equal for a parallelogram. Then B ka opposite is D. They will also be equal. I have shown you X. Then this will also be X degrees. This whole Y, this will also be Y degrees. Okay. Next, they were talking about adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are next to each other. Adjacent, ek dusre ke next, lage hue. So, with A, D is adjacent. With A, B is also adjacent. With B, one was A, another one is C. With C, one is B, another one is D. So, these are pairs of adjacent angles that I have shown you. And for a parallelogram, all adjacent angles are supplementary. Means their sum is always 180. Parallel lines पढ़ी हैं आपने. So we are saying these two lines are parallel. So these become co-interior angles C. Okay. So X plus Y will always be 180. Alright. So because of that. So these properties that you have to keep in mind. Last one was about the diagonals. What do you mean by diagonals? The line joining the opposite vertices. AC and BD are my two diagonals which are intersecting, suppose at O. Okay, so the property said diagonals bisect each other. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. Okay, that is what bisects means. So if they are bisecting means this section, this segment AO will be equal to OC. Likewise, the other diagonal BO will be equal to OD. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so these are very important properties of parallelogram that you need to understand and remember as well. Okay, so the first question is just utilizing all these properties directly. So that one I have solved for you. Remaining questions, first you go through, read through this whole thing, then I will discuss the remaining questions of the exercise. Okay, first you need to understand, read this properly, whatever is given in your book. Then I'll continue tomorrow with the next remaining questions. Okay, so in this first question, they had shown you this figure ABCD, a parallelogram was shown, and they were saying fill in the blanks, giving reasons. So like they had said, AD will be equal to, so AD you see is here. So AD, opposite to AD is BC, and we know for a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD will be equal to BC. Reason you have to give, I've written in short, you will write it properly. Okay, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Then angle DCB, this angle they are talking about, will be equal to angle DAB. Opposite angles, just now we discussed, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Alright, then next is OC, they had written OC will be equal to OA. We had just now seen the property, diagonals bisect each other. Right, then last was measure of angle DAB. This angle plus angle ADC or CDA, whichever way you say it. These two are adjacent angles, and adjacent angles are supplementary. So the blank out here would be 180, and you have to mention the reason. Okay, so all the properties that I just told you, they are being utilized in this first question. So I thought I'll discuss it right now. Rest of the questions we will take up tomorrow.